These are custom, 3D printed shoes. Designed for your perfect fit. How to get your perfect fit. With the link sent to your phone and an A4 sheet of paper at home, simply scan your feet in just 30 seconds and the analysis is complete. Super simple, right? Precisely designed for your arch and forefoot. Optimized for your instep and ankle height. The outsole is structured for stability and balance. And it all comes to life with ultra-precise, high-speed 3D printing. It's time to experience the perfect fit. A new level of comfort, support, and design made just for you. Ready to step out? Let's take on the off-road. Absorbs impact on tough terrain. Waterproof and stain-resistant, stay clean. Walk confidently with anti-slip grip. Now, let's head to downtown. Spring structure delivers a responsive bounce. Arch support keeps you comfortable every step. Breathable design and air mesh lining keep you fresh. Eco-friendly materials, better for you and the planet. Off-road, downtown, everywhere. The best for your feet and the earth. Designed for you, crafted for the future.